So today, because I want to help you, I want you guys to take out, I sent an Excel spreadsheet out to you guys. Juanita, do you have that Excel spreadsheet that I sent?
Yes.
Can you drop it in here? And I want you to take this Excel spreadsheet. This is the most important thing that you can do in your mortgage or real estate business. Hands down, this is worth all the money in the world, because people say, what, your network is your what?
Network.
Net worth. Your network is your network. This is step one when you get into sales, that some of us have never done this. So today I decided, I said, you know what? We work on our business on Mondays. And we're gonna be done at 11 o'clock today. So I'm starving, right? And this is what we're getting ready to do. You go ahead and drop that in the chat, Juanita.
I am.
Okay, thanks. And so past clients unlikely to refer. You all said you wanted to double your business. I want you to think, and I'm going to leave this on the screen, and I'm going to just get you started for about 5 or 10 minutes. And then I'm scared to let you go, because if I let you go, then you won't even complete this for yourself. 10%, 20% of you guys will. I'm getting ready to start a private group inside of our group of people who really want to build their business. And I'm going to start doing a separate meeting, but it's only for people who are going to implement. Because what we're finding out is, although I can do these meetings every night, Monday morning at 9:30, I redo these meetings. Also, I put them online and charge people for them, the same meetings, just so you know. I charge people for them, and they log in, all these people. I don't know these people. So I just use it as a lead magnet to make my list, just so you guys know, right? That's what I use it for. And I repurpose it and retarget it to thousands of real estate agents across the country, and I let them pay for it. But I want to give it to you guys for free. This is what we're doing. So past clients unlikely to refer. You should ask yourself, who do I know, if they had a referral, would definitely send it to me if I kept in contact with them? Now, on the mortgage side, these are realtors, and these are also your past clients. You can sort our past clients list in Arrive, right? If not, because I don't know if everybody's in Arrive, because we switched over to Arrive about a year and a half ago or a year ago. But these are the two lists that you want to have. You don't want to combine these lists together, right? So who do I know, if they had a referral, would definitely send it to me if I kept in contact with them? Who's ever had a friend that's close to them say, hey man, I just bought a house, and forgot you was even a real estate agent? My buddies have done that to me. I'm talking about my close buddies. Right? Yeah. And I'm not mad at them. That's my fault, right? Because I'm not marketing to them, and I should be. Okay.
Is this the one you're talking about? Sorry for interrupting you. Is this
the one I sent for, yeah, that one. Yeah. So it's in chat. Everybody download this real quick. You're going to need to download it twice, or copy it twice, and make 2 different lists.
It didn't come through to my chat.
Oh, you sent it to me as a direct message, Juanita.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
I don't know how to use these things properly.
Yeah. All right, so you got it?
I think you would have to allow the group chat to.
Okay, yeah.
All right, let me upload it then. How about that? I don't have it. Jesus is our techie. He know how to do all this stuff. Boom. Boom. Let's go. All right, this PC. What was it called? CRM, bro. Bop, bop, bop. Okay. All right. Here. ATT traction. Boom. Oh man, can you email it to me, Juanita, real quick? You guys use this as a brain. Start working your brain now. Can you email it to me, Juanita?
Pardon me?
Can you email it to me real quick?
Oh, yeah, sorry. Yes, I sure can. Sorry about
Thank you. Let me know when you email it to me and I'll pull it up.